Result of the entrance test written for admission to the 2 years DLED course. Center code 1100 for North Garo Hills, Dayat, Resabel Para. The name of the candidate who qualified for counseling are. Here you can see the list of the name. Abdul Sanma Anika Rabha. You can check your name here, each one by one. You can scroll down. That is only 77 pass for the counseling. Dayat, Resabel Para.